Hello everyone, this is Tom and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of November 2nd, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, Everyday in Our Live Trading Room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term price direction for swing trade so that they can make a bigger profit potential. 2 more days before election, the market is still in the correction with a choppy, scary mode like a Halloween, with the implied volatility move higher. We should give a couple days to see who will win before we put more money into the market. Normally, the implied volatility will go lower after we know who will win the White House. Then the market will give you the chance to buy with a better price. There are many good stocks in the support area right now with a discount price. So the market still have some volatility plus more virus cases. But over long term, the trend is still in the uptrend. Doesn't matter who will win the election. I will continue to update during the week so that you make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigator, we will show you and teach you and so that you can understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can stay in the right side and can buy with the high probability of winning with a low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see the price action in real time, so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at the chart so that you can see more. Let me start with the SPY chart here. As you can see that the market in October they push it back up, and after that they will hit to the sell zone and then they still choppy and go down, go sideways down in the downtrend mode. But right now the market hit to the buy zone, so the last minute on Friday when they touch down to the buy zone and then the market push it back up. So we looking for the short term to push it back up, okay, to probably to fill up the gap that they gap down here. And so Friday, the last few minutes, the market turned around, try to push it back up. So let's see if they'll be able to hold on to this level and push it back up and try to retest the gap that where they left off over here. So look at the E-mini SP 500. As you can see today after the market open, the market is able to stabilize at this level here. On Friday they push it back up. Now they try to find a way to put it back up. So so that in the short term we'll probably see some rebound, but the market is still choppy. So we have to be careful, and then we will see more clear after who win the election, and the market will give it more stronger direction so that we can put in more money into the market. And if you look at a lot of stock every week, I look at the sector and to see which sector doing well and with a strong stock so that in that sector, so that we can analyze and see how the chart look like. So first of all, let's look at the bio sector. A couple of stocks that they've been able to pull back down right to the support, like the bio sector. They've been able to stop here and they hold up here. So on Monday, if we found some bullet turn it upside, that can be a strong support here, and we're looking for some rebound. And next one is and Johnson also they found support here. So let's see if they can build up and then turn it around. The sector, the utility sector, they are pretty strong. They come up and they hit to the sell zone, they pull back down, and right now they hold up support. So a couple of stocks in there that we have been looking at, like NRG. So this one is also they stuck into the triangle here. So if they be able to hold up here and bounce back up on Monday So that's a sign of they're going to rebound to the upside. AEP, that's another one that they go up, they pull back to the support, and then they hold up there. It seems like the buyer, they still hold up very strong here. The internet communication sector, a lot of stock is still doing strong. Okay, like Facebook, they go up, they pull back, but they hold the support at the moving average there. So let's see, they can be able to hold it up there and then put it back up. Apple, as you can see here, it also at the support level there. And FFT, Microsoft, that also get into the support area too. And a lot of strong stock, like Alibaba, this one is very strong. Even the market drop, this guy still hold up pretty well. So they can show you that there's more momentum in the upside for the day to come. And AMD, after they buy Xilinx, they pull back down, and they also right at the support. Okay, and let's see, they can hold it up at this level here. Basically, this weekend we look at more in financial sector. That's the XLF. Okay, the financial sector, it seems like they hold up pretty well in the triangle formation here. So we're looking for the short-term rebound to the upside. Okay, a couple of stocks here like JP Morgan, okay, Goldman Sachs, right? That's another one, and this one here we have been looking at for like a week, it's still very strong and hold up very strong on the upside. And FIC, this one is in liquid, they pull back a little bit, but they still hold up very strong here, so they try to find a way to put it up again. The last week, a lot of stock in the retail sector is still very weak, like JMIA, as you can see here. This one here is still on the downside, so they still have some room. For the short side, they still continue to put down to the downside. ADNT, this is another weak one, it still continue to the downside. And a lot of stock in the construction sector, they seem like they are coming down, and then they also found a support. So this one here, that Caterpillar, okay, John Deere, another one, okay, GPA, that's another one that try to bow back up, okay, OAD, okay, it's the construction partner, this one also strong here, MSM. Okay, so those stocks, when the market turn around here, okay, those stocks, they be able to follow support, they do in the upside, they will continue to put it up higher. One interesting sector that have been rubbing like rock, like the oil sector, but now seem like they are stabilized and try to find a way to short-term rebound to the upside. The Chevron, ExxonMobil, that also try to hold up there. PS, that's the Philip 66, that also look like it bottom out and try to put it back up. Alright, so this is all we have for you this week, and there's many, just a few stocks that we just show you here in our expert live trading room. We analyze a lot more stock in the real time. So when the market open, our member come in, they can ask any question. We will analyze together so that everybody can follow along and know when supposed to buy and when supposed to get out and take a profit. So this is what we do every day in our live trading room. Okay, so if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. So every time we have a new video, we will update for you during the week. And also, if you would like to learn how to understand financial market, how to trade, how to read the chart by using modern technical analysis, and you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you, good luck, and we see you next week after election to see where the market heading to. Thank you again.